my channel. As you can see, I'm outside trying to enjoy the air, but the air is hot. I don't know. This year seems just a little different this summer. This is the dry Texas heat, and I'm in South Carolina. But yeah, I know if I'm outside, I probably went to Lowe's. Yeah, I went to Lowe's today because I wanted to get some ladder mesh to put up the grapes and the muscadine, because I don't like the way they're on the fence right now, because they're growing everywhere but where they're supposed to be growing at.
Yeah, I know I can't go to Lowe's without stopping by the flower department. I was mainly looking for, heat tolerant flowers that can stand the sun. And I picked these up right here, and that was what I paid for them, and these little guys right here. I have some in pink, and they grow like wildfires, and they're really pretty, and they can stand the sun. And we got a hose that we're gonna put on the soaker hose that we put inside of the raised bed. Faye is trying to figure out what bit she needs to drill a hole in there so it won't be pulling, and that's where she's trying to figure out where to order one from or get it from. And this is the ladder mesh that I'm using to make the trellis for the grapes and the muscadine. I'm going to put it up just like that and connect them together. And we got 3 more bags of those big bags over there, the soil, to stay green.
Okay. But I don't want it to be higher than the fence. Alright. So let's go by the fence. Oh, you gotta get this. What are you doing? I'm trying to get the what? Stakes.
Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real